She sticks her tongue out.
I don't think she likes it. Hey, you gotta brush your teeth. It's good for you.
Let's see that molar. She's sucking on it.
Mmm.
Let's see. Let's see.
You gonna wash your mouth out with the rubbing alcohol?
Oops. Can I see your teeth? Okay, you do it. You do it. Go like this. Alright, I think that's enough for tonight.